Hey guys! Today let's learn how to fix iOS 17 battery draining fast issue. So if you guys want to go ahead and fix that, your iOS 17 softwares is actually draining your battery too fast. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first, in order for us to proceed with doing this, is to be aware that as we are using our devices, of course, the battery will degrade itself through the years of usage. So one of the best methods that we could actually do, in order for us to preserve and prevent the problems with our battery on the new iOS 17, is to have a healthy charging habit. So what we need to do is to basically charge our devices right above the 80% mark and not exceeding 100%. And basically keep an eye on your devices as you charge and prevent it to overcharge and exceed the 100% mark. So as soon as it reaches 90 or 90 above, right below the 100% mark, go ahead and remove your devices from charging and go ahead and use the devices already. Of course, this goes the same with once the device is gonna be basically below the 20% mark. So if the battery percentage is gonna be below the 20% mark, my advice is to go ahead and charge your device and refrain from using it altogether. Basically need to prevent yourselves to use the battery all the way, and basically you need to reserve just a bit of 20% of battery level so that you could preserve the battery health. Those are the easiest methods we can actually do in order for us to prevent the draining of our battery fast. So basically, if you guys learned something, please like this video and subscribe as well. If you guys did else, you is on the next one. Take care.